right, guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new 10-in-1 charging station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, check this out. Look at all those ports. It's a total of 300 watt. Spot for your Apple Watch, for your iPhone, for your AirPods, and then anything additional right here. Quick user guide right here. And the power cable. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up and test it out. All right, so go ahead and start with the AirPods and we'll just drop them on there and they'll start charging right away. Same thing with the Apple Watch, just set it down and you are literally good to go. And since I did mention it does have 7 ports, so we'll go ahead and plug in my iPad to one of the fast USB charging ports. And as you can see, it starts charging the iPad right away. You could even use it to charge up your Nintendo Switch like I am. Super convenient to have, especially if you want to have it charged up for a quick game sesh. And it's not just for everyday devices. As you can see, I'm also going to charge my electric screwdriver right onto here. And of course, I got to put my iPhone on here, put it onto that wireless charging pad, and it's good to go. Plus, with the built-in protection, I don't have to worry about it overcharging or overheating either. So as you can see, even with all the devices plugged in, I still have some USB ports and Type-C ports still available. I guess so there you have it. As you can see, it can fit the iPhone, the watch, the pods right here, and then still have plenty of space right here. This one even has enough to keep your laptop turned on and charging. So like I said, if you guys are looking for a new 10-in-1 charging station, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.